Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove a broken chain or a broken spring on a CiMa-Pak manual tray sealer. Before you do anything, make sure the machine is unplugged and it is not hot. The first step is to remove the screw that is holding the chain to the machine. With a flat screwdriver, you're going to remove this screw. And because it is broken, it should be easy because there is no tension. So once you did that, you need to lay the machine down on its side. Make sure you open the machine, open the lid all the way. So you're going to remove the chain, the broken chain, or either the broken spring. Okay, now you have the new chain, new spring, the tension screw, the plastic washer, and the black knob. You're going to hook up the spring to the chain and then the tension screw to the other end of the spring. You pass the screw through the hole. Plastic washer, the black knob, you're going to engage it. And then you have to pass the chain over the sprocket here, and pass the other end of the chain through the hole. Once you pass the other side of the chain through the hole and over the little sprocket here, you're going to tension the chain. To be able to do that, you need 2 picks or a small screwdriver. You're going to put step by step, bring the chain close to the hole. And once you see you can put the screw in, you reach the hole, you're going to put the screw back and tighten the screw. And slowly remove these pins. There you go. That's it. And you can straighten up the machine.